Hey traders, just going to give you a bit of an update on what the S&P 500 is doing in the market right now. What we can see right now is we've got candlesticks, we have two simple moving averages, and down here we have volume with a 50 moving average over the top. That just sort of gives me a gauge of how the volume, if it's above it, it's sort of above average volume, if it's below it, and so on and so forth. So I just sort of use that as a guidance of where the volume is. If we can see right now with the market, we can see the market's overall stepping down. We can see what happened here recently. Okay, we had this nicely run down through here, and we can see this nice little peaks run down through here. Okay, we ran down, boom, 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 ran up, and then we ran back down again, and we created, what did we create here? You can see, if I just zoom this in a bit more, you can see exactly that we created a nice little inverted little head and shoulder, right? You can see a nice little head and shoulder. Ran down, ran up, made the left shoulder, ran down, made the head, ran back up, made the left shoulder, and popped straight back up. But there's something really interesting happening right now. As we can see, we're really hovering around these moving averages right now, just above it, just really struggling to get below it. And you can see that if I just zoom this in a lot more now, you can see that if I just draw a trend line from the bottom to the top, we can clearly see that this market is respecting this trend line right all the way up, right there. There we go. So as we can see that this trend line has totally been respected. So if we start to really break down here, because we are really struggling to break up. As you can see, the market has tried to break up here, and now it's just going overall sideways. We are definitely still bouncing off this major trend line here, but if we do decide to break down and break below these moving averages, I reckon we've got another big leg coming, okay, a major turn coming in the market. So just be careful of that, because this market still is, if you look at it, still is actually slightly down. If you look at the market is slowly stepping up, now we really are, if you look at this on a bigger picture, you got this market going up, and now overall the market's going down, just a little bit up move here, but the market still is overall down. And we can still see a lot of weakness in the market right now. But in saying that, you can see this little peak over here. If we do start to break above this peak up here, okay, right there, we can start breaking above that and blush straight up, then we're likely to see a lot more upside and probably race back up probably another 20 or 30 points on the S&P. So there we have it, guys. Just a quick, simple analysis on the S&P. We are right now hovering around those moving averages. But the market is very, very weak. And what's happened here with the market is you can see that the market actually broke up out of this high and had a nice little break up through there. But what's happened since then is the market's just literally gone sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of really not sure what to do. So what's happened here is, if we just start to break down once again, that there is a major bearish move for me, and I believe we can get a lot more downside in the particular markets. Okay, so we look at the weekly chart here, just quickly on the weekly chart, we will see that with the overall weekly chart, just delete this trend line, we'll see with the overall weekly chart that we came down and we bounced off this moving average. As you can see, it respected it over here, it respected it here. So this moving average right here has been a really, really good strong moving average, which we use in the trading room every day. You can see bouncing there, bouncing there, bouncing there, came up, breakthrough, came back up, resistance. So it's really respecting this a lot. If indeed we start to break below this low here, if we start to run back down and break below that low, then we're in for some major downward movement, in my personal opinion. So just keep an eye out for that. So there we go, traders. For you guys that don't know, I run a free trading room every single day at tradinginvestingforyou.com. Come on down, sign up. It's free. All you have to do is simply fill in your name and email, and I'm going to give you a free membership, free videos, and also free access to the daily live trading room, where I'm going to be simply talking at markets and discussing markets every day on a continuous basis, and especially about the Aussie markets. So come down to Trading Investing for you, sign up to get your free membership and sign up to the free trading room. Come in with all the other traders and chat amongst yourselves, and make sure that you get the most out of it, because you don't want to be sitting there by yourself. Come in and see for yourself with these traders of community who can huddle and talk to each other about what's happening in the markets, the Australian market and also the US market. So my name is John Howell. Come down to tradinginvestingforyou.com, log in, it's free, doesn't cost you a cent, and I'll see you there. So thanks again, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.